The 2014 Lexus GX 460. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Lexus prioritized handling and performance with features such as leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated and ventilated seats, illuminated running boards, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.